All right, folks, this is my backup system for my house. A couple years ago we had snowpocalypse, and I realized that all the solar on my house wouldn't take care of our energy needs, and we ended up losing pipes because of it. So I decided I needed something else. So this is the answer. This is the Westinghouse 1450 generator. I use it off of natural gas, which is the 1200. This is a 24-foot natural gas hose. It's not supposed to be over the fence. It's just, I'm testing it so I don't have it run the way I want it. And this is the Fixed Star RV cable. I'll link both of these below. But what I'll say is this has come up to be a real simple answer for me. If you live in most residential places, especially in Texas, you will notice that most of the houses have natural gas lines, and they're easy to tap into, and I'll show you that on the other end. So I never run gas in this thing because I don't want to mess with the carburetor or any of that garbage. You know, this thing gets used maybe twice a year, right? So I'm going to run it on natural gas that I don't have to worry about. I can switch it to propane if I needed to, but you know, I don't want to mess with that headache either, right? So here's the system. I switch it to natural gas and pause. All right, gonna try to get this done without being attacked by dogs. So this is a normal natural gas line that comes out of the house. And this is the 24-foot hose that I'll link below. And you just throw it on there like that. And now you have your natural gas line. So I guess a quick view of this. You have the whole system, right? Super heavy. That is one of the struggles with this thing. I'm a big, strong guy. This thing is heavy. The lock doesn't come with it. I figured I could attach that right here. And it's not going to stop anybody, but it might make people think twice. You have your little battery down there, the gas line hookup, obviously the gas there. Real simple. You choose which source you want, turn the battery on. You have switches for loading the power, I guess you would say, and then the engine start, right? So this is a Fixed Star cable. I'm gonna run it underneath. Hold that up, pop that in there, and then it runs over to this guy, which goes up into my box. There's a selector lever. This has to be done by an electrician, the setup of this, and I'm not even gonna show you it. I'm just showing you the components, right? So there you go. You're locked in there. You have a little LED for power to show if you've got power. The gas is on the other end. I have it set to natural gas. I have my battery turned on, and I have this remote. We'll see. Obviously you don't want to listen to that. The truth of the matter is that this remote and this system has not been run since December, and we are now in September of the following year. So it works. It's pretty phenomenal. This thing, I love it because it will power my indoor refrigerator, my 2 outdoor refrigerators. Yes, I have 3. My heater systems for my AC systems. It'll power both of my upstairs and downstairs heater. It'll power enough power that I can keep basically my amenities on, you know, TV, Wi-Fi, stuff like that. I don't think I can power my entire house with this thing. I'm using natural gas, so it's 1200 peak watts, but it is enough, and I've tested it, we've used it, to run the 3 refrigerators and the heaters, and that's what matters. Keep the food from going bad, keep the house from freezing.